Hi, this is Jeffin. This is a skill development course. I welcome you for this course. This course is for someone who is really interested in a hardware job, or someone who really like to start your own business. Not everybody are interested to work in the software industry because not everybody are interested to sit in the computer for a long hour and do the coding and do other stuffs. And if you are really a person who has a passionate to do something in hardware jobs and who would like to start your own business, please watch this entire course. This course is all about the LED bulbs. What are the various? This course talks about the components of the LED bulbs. We'll see the various machineries required to assemble an LED bulb. We'll see the process of assembling an LED bulbs, both MCPCB based and driver based. We'll also talk about how to create this product in your own brand, how to market it, and we'll talk about, give some tips about how to improve the sale in this end of this course. Please do watch and enjoy this video. My best wishes, all the best for you to start this LED business in your own brand. Thank you.